I have a DEWALT 10 combo kit. I just received it a few days ago. The first thing I noticed was this safety button does not work. It's not engaged at all. It's loose. I brought this to work yesterday. I used it on very light duty. I was hoping it would pop into place, but it didn't when I was using it. And so it's like that. I'm going to have to return it. I can't live with that safety hazard. And also I noticed, even though I was using it for light duty, the torque was very low. The blade was stopping very easily. So I had to make sure I kept the momentum going as I was cutting. I couldn't really put too much force into cutting the very thin plywood that I was cutting anyway. So I'm going to have to return this. I'm hoping that the new one has better torque, and definitely need my thumb safety button here to use, because it works, as you see, without engaging it.
I am going to have my husband try it tomorrow. See if it still works or if this is just cosmetic. But everything else looks good.
Ooh. 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 And it's very shiny. Very. Literally broken off.
Whatever helmets you don't think are good.
So it does not lock anything in place.
Llegó niño, llegó niño, llegó.